To finish up this project, I went through a progression of 3 grits of sandpaper on this table. I hit it with 80 and 150 on the orbital sander, and then I finished up with 220 hand sanding on all of the commonly touched surfaces, like the legs and the table and shelf surfaces. I've been learning to optimize my time a little bit when it comes to sanding. I don't go ahead and do 220 on anything that's not going to be handled anymore, such as the bottom side of shelves or the inside of those table slats. I just focus on the areas that I know people are going to touch. Obviously, I don't want anything that's going to feel sharp or rough, but you got to choose your battles here. I'm really impressed with the stiffness of this table. I wasn't expecting it to be able to support too much weight, but both the bottom shelf and the tabletop surface both can support my weight with almost no bowing. Well, here's the results of our efforts. I'm really happy with how this thing shaped up. I went with a really simple Danish oil finish, which I let cure for about 48 hours, and then hit with some Corotte steel wool. It's a really nice natural feel, and I know that this isn't really going to get that much abuse, so I didn't need to seal it with anything stronger. I was under a bit of a time crunch to get this project finished. I didn't get to record any footage of the finishing process, but it was fairly straightforward. I'll make sure to capture that in future projects. I attached the tabletop to the skirt in a new way for this project. I drilled oversized holes through blocks attached to the skirt, and then used wood screws and washers to attach the two components together. This should allow the table to expand and contract without pulling anything apart. This classic mission style is just so solid, and it would look nice in so many different environments. Thank you guys for sticking around through this whole process, and I hope you've learned something new. It's amazing what you can get done in a small space with inexpensive tools with just a bit of time and ingenuity. I'd really love it if you guys would like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so you can keep up on future videos. Have fun out there!